soft, chewy, chocolatey cookies studded with 2 kinds of chips. This new favorite cookie has your name on it. Scrumptious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna stir up a dry mix, then blend it with sugar, butter, and eggs. We're gonna stir in chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. Then we're gonna bake cookies. This could not be any easier. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, a small bowl. Add 1 cup unbleached all-purpose flour, half a cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, plus half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Let's stir those ingredients together, set them to the side for a moment. Although you can make these cookies using a hand mixer, we found using a stand mixer was way easier. Stand mixer, paddle attachment, 12 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, nice and soft. We're adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then add 2 eggs plus 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract plus half a cup of peanut butter. I'm using an organic peanut butter, which is kind of smooth, a little bit chunky, but feel free to use your favorite for the recipe. We're gonna mix on medium speed to combine. You can scrape the sides down if you need to. Now we're adding the dry mix little by little, looking good. Cookie dough is almost done. Pop the bowl off the stand, scrape the dough off of the paddle. Then, last step, add 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips plus 1 cup peanut butter chips. Stir the chips into the cookie dough. I told you this was easy. We're dropping tablespoon portions of the cookie dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. You should get 12 cookies per sheet. Optional added bonus step, but I say do it. Just do it, just do it. A sprinkle of sea salt flakes. Salty, sweet is perfect in these cookies. Transfer them to the oven. We're gonna bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Bring them out of the oven, cool on the pan for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Good news, bad news. The good news. They're soft and chewy and peanut buttery and chocolatey. Bad news, the yield is only 30 cookies. Seems like a lot, but it's not. They disappear pretty quick. Better pace yourself. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website when you're visiting. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, enjoy these cookies and share them with your friends. Simply use hashtag weekendatthecottage when you post pics of these cookies on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Scrumptious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Soft, chewy, chocolate. I love these cookies.